Bumpy. Alright, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've just come to the lovely Chase Farm. There's a workshop, DSW servicing, and I've just been was recommended to Dan by somebody in my local group, because I wanted to have the fork oil on my bike changed. I think you're supposed to change them every 15,000 miles or so. I know a lot of people don't do it that often. A lot of people just wait until the fork seals are gone, really, isn't it? But given that I'm planning to be doing a bit of travelling this year, thought I might as well get it out of the way, make sure that the fork oil is all nice and fresh. It all seems fine. Just did my pre-ride checks. All good. So if you're in the area, if you live near sort of Harlow, East London, the DSW servicing, highly recommended. What is this carnage here? What is going on? But anyway, as I'm stuck in traffic, what I'm going to do is I took a little bit of footage from the work that Dan was doing at DSW, and I'll show you here a little bit about changing the oil in your forks. The old one is quite a light oil that gets used on Kawasaki forks. The old one was a little bit dark. The new one is nice and clear. So yeah, it gives you peace of mind that it's all going to work properly when we're touring through Wales and touring through France. Bit tight, was it?
Just a little bit, that one, yeah.
It's just some dirty water, isn't it? Basically. It's very thin. But it doesn't look too bad. No. Well, that looks a bit dirty, isn't it?
A little bit dirtier, this one.
Oh yeah, that's a lot clearer, isn't it?
A lot clearer.
How does it get dark? Is it just parts that's
It's just usage, yeah.
So is it from like components on the inside that kind of rub, or?
It's just a mixture of water content, material breaking off,
Okay.
dirt that does make its way through seals. Fork oil changes. So it just resets all your preload, rebound, compression, and then obviously sets it up to the way you're riding and your ability, basically.
Okay, so so he comes here and does that for people.
Come here and do it. It's £40 per bike. It's about
That's
a
quite good.
half-hour slot. And then obviously if you go out and do a test ride, if you want it a little bit stiffer, we'll set it up a bit stiffer for you. Or if you want it a little bit softer, we can set it up softer for you. But it will set it up to your weight, riding ability, and what you actually you're actually using it for. Yeah, basically.
So if you're road riding, it'll be one way. If you're track riding, it'll be something else.
Exactly that.
Okay. That's quite good, actually.
Yeah. He's he works for a Kawasaki race team in BSB.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you often see people like suspension specialists at track days. Like you go to a track day, like a no limits or whatever, and there'll be somebody there.
But I think they tend to charge a bit more.
They charge about £100 per bike at track days, roughly.
Well, how do I find out about when your days are? Because I'll post it on the.
So
we have a group like.
I put it up on my Instagram.
Okay.
And then obviously I've got my customers that I will message and say to them, do you want to suspend your setup day? And
Okay.
book it in for a time slot.
Well, if you message me next time, I think I've had mine done. But like I said, we've got a lot of people come through, the new associates and stuff, that don't know anything about this stuff. And so I might advertise it on the forum and on the WhatsApp group saying, if you guys want it set up, 40 quid is quite decent.
It's cheap.
It's a good deal because you take it to a specialist like FTR and they'll charge quite a lot more than that.
What is this carnage here? What is going on? I'll tell you what it is. There's a market at North Weald. There's a market at North Weald on Saturdays and it's an absolute nightmare for traffic. As you can see, all of these cars. Here we go. And I can't filter here because of the solid white line. Just need to get over there.